Also developing this evening, a major headline in the Georgia election interference case against former President Trump. Hallie Jackson joins us now. Hallie, an appeals court stepping in here today.
That's right, Lester. They're pressing pause on the case altogether until a panel of judges decides whether the Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis should be allowed to continue prosecuting this. Now, a lower court has already said yes, but Mr. Trump's team appealed, arguing she should be disqualified because of a conflict of interest, which Willis denies, over a romantic relationship with an attorney she hired to handle the case. Now, here's the most immediate impact: the timeline. There is just no practical way that this would get to a trial now before November's election. So that's perhaps a political win, if not a legal one yet, for Mr. Trump, Lester.
And Hallie, we're also learning more tonight about Mr. Trump's search for a running mate. What do we know?
It's picking up steam, with some potential VP candidates getting vetting materials, according to 5 people familiar with the process. 2 sources say Ohio Senator J.D. Vance, North Dakota Governor Doug Burgum, and Florida Senator Marco Rubio are on the list. And one source says Senator Tim Scott, who you see there of South Carolina, is in the mix, too. Mr. Trump has suggested he will make his pick closer to the Republican convention in July.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app, or follow us on social media.